Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Mahmoud. I'm gonna trade for Gaza as I do every day. I'm gonna let you learn how to trade for Gaza. And basically, and I'm gonna show you how to make easy money every day trading gold. That's only gold. If you're a gold trader, XEU USD trader, scalping, swing trader, day trading, you will know how to do it. It's very basic, very simple. You just only need two things, two indicators. Those indicators, I have already developed them and they are on TradingView. The first indicator is XAUMOvision. It's already published since Jan 19. The second indicator is XAUMO MegaBar indicator, Detector. And it's already published like 10 days ago on TradingView. I trade every day. I trade. I'm a day trader. I'm a scalper. Okay. But the only thing that I manage every day, I manage risk. Trading is about managing risk. It's not about making profit. I have to manage my risk. I have to protect my position. Imagine people in Gaza. They cannot manage the risk. They cannot manage their safety. They cannot have take profit. That's something they cannot. What is the risk? The risk is hunger. Gaza is dying because there's no food. So what I decided to do, I did this initiative, Trade for Gaza. I'm gonna show you how to make money every day, easy, single, easy, measy, schmoozy, easy, nothing tough. You just need two indicators. Just what you need to do is to hit like on this video, forward it to your other colleagues, to your other friends, our other traders. It can be used on any asset class, whether they are trading commodities, stocks, they're using forex, they're using cryptos, local EGX, Egyptian Stock Exchange. You can do it in any emerging market, any stock, any day, any time. It can be, you can use it on daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes. It's easy. For me, I'm a swinger. I'm not a swinger. I am a scalper. I am a scalper today. I'm going to show you how to scalp. And in the worst moment where we are all tense as a trader, when the economic news pops up, is how you're going to know how to trade those hours from 13 from 15:30 Cairo local time till 1800 Cairo local time. This is like the most tense hour in the day. You can get flushed easily. As people in Gaza, they are flushed because they do not have food. People are dying because there is no food. You can get flushed easily, my friend. But with using the XAUMOvision, the XAUMO MegaBar detector, you will learn how to not to get flushed and how to make money and try it with the institution. I hope that you will enjoy this educational video. It's not a financial advice. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm showing you how to manage risk and how to make profits. Once you like this video, you like the idea, click like and forward it to your friends. Okay? And for now, I'm going to show you how to trade for Gaza. Trade for Gaza. Trade for Gaza. من السوق لغزة. It's Zomo. If you want to follow me, you can follow me on Telegram, Gold on the Nine. Let's show you how to trade for Gaza. First thing, you have TradingView. You can use, unfortunately, I do not trade on MT4, MT5. I trade on TradingView. You just click on TradingView. You have your indicator list. You're gonna type, okay? Just type XAUMO Vision. Okay, it's already there. I publish it. Ishimoku on the night. I have 14 downloaded it. So you click on it. The second one you click on is XAUMO MegaBar Detector. Uh, Detector. Here you have it. It's on Shimoku on the night. You have 9 who downloaded it. Okay. Let's go here. Click on the XAUMOvision. Let's reset the settings. And let's move it up. And let's make sure here. Let's reset the setting. Reset the settings. Okay. And let's change the candles So you can use your own regular candles. Here you are, so you can see it. First, you click on the XAUMOvision. You just keep the traffic light. Take this out, 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 out. Let's make this green. Okay, and let's make this red. All right, guys. Yes, here you have the traffic light is green. That means you go for gold. You go buy long. Red is going short. And gray is no trade zone. And let's click this here. Let's change the settings so it can be obvious. Let's make it here like that to distinguish them. And let's make it like that. And here we go. Here you are, guys. So this here, 15:30, we had economic news and we had indecision bar. We did not know what to do. Long wick down, rejection. It's going long. I'll go the long position. Guys, this is 15 minutes time frame. Guys, I'm not trading. I'm just scared as hell as you. Will I get flushed? Will I take the trade? What's my stop loss? I do not have an indecision. I'm a rookie trader who just wants to make money. And I do not know all these technical indicators. Just see. Just let's make it bigger. I watch here. I watch here. It says to me, I watch it here. What was it here? It says, I have here the economic news. It was bearish, but still, I do not have a confirmation. Yes, it was here at 2.0. That's too much. That's yes, but I do not have a megabar. I'm not trading. I have here the XAUUSD bias line. I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to trade here because I do not have a megabar. And then the market maker decide to make his move. He gonna flush you. He gonna flush you. He is looking for liquidity. So what you gonna do? I'm scared. Shall I go long? Shall I go long? No, don't go long. Don't go short. Just stay put in on your on your seat. Watch the monitor. Watch for megabar. That's a fake move. And suddenly you have a megabar. It went up. You see here the traffic light went all the way to negative, is still negative. Oh, negative 0.2. He's flushing. He stopped hunting you. He stopped hunting. He stopped loss hunting. And then suddenly the bias start going short, 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 short. And then at that moment, when it went here to negative 199, we had the mega bar. We have a winner, guys. So what you gonna do right now? You just here you have Fibonacci. Just click on your Fibonacci from top to bottom of the bar. That's it. Okay, and let's lock it here. And you make the first thing, you do your short position. If you can manage to take this short position, you click it here, stop. Yes, you enter at the 50%. Here's the 50%, and your TP is at the high. So it's 1-to-1. Let's make it shorter here so you can check it. Okay, let's zoom out so we can have the whole screen here. Okay, guys, and let's lock that out. Here we are. That's the first thing. This is the first. It's a winner, guys. Yes, it's a winner. Second position. This is your first stop loss. It's at the zero. It's at the low of the bar, and your first stop is the high. If it retraces back, I'm gonna take it here from 50%. It's going short. The second short. Hold on a second. Let's move this here, and let's move it here, so you can see it. All right, here we go, and let's lock this down. Lock. Second TP, second position. It's running. It's going crazy, guys. Yes, it's going crazy. So you've seen that in a 15 minutes. So what you gonna do? I'm gonna do another short position. The trade is running. So I'm just gonna enter here. I take at the zero, at the low of the bar, and I get off at 61%, and I go for 161. So that's my TP2. That's my TP2. All right, that's my TP2. My TP2 is at, this is a trading stop loss. This is your first stop loss. It's at the high, the second stop loss at negative at 0.61. Okay, and it's still going on. This is economic news. Where shall I go? Where shall I stop? Here you are, guys. You take this position, short. You enter here. You make your stop loss here at 1 and you go to 261. This is economic news. It's going to boom. It's going to boom. It's going to boom. Next stop. If you want to continue, I do the TP1, TP2, TP3. Here, I do not take the trade. I get scared. I'm a rookie, guys. I'm not gonna, if you are greedy, you're gonna get toasted. Maximum you're gonna take is 361 from that MegaBar economic. If you want to take it, I will extend that trade to here. If you are an experienced trader, extend it to 361. That's it. That's the maximum. How much cash you make? If I entered here like the other day, it went from 339.70 all the way to 326. 339 to 26 is $13, man. 13. How much is your leverage? 13 by 10 by 100. If you go full lot, calculate your loss, calculate your profits. Let's lock it here. Let's go to another example. It's a non-luck and luck here. Let's go here. Earlier in the day, we had the MegaBar. And let's check that MegaBar. I'll tell you this track. The MegaBar, yes, we had the traffic light is almost negative 199, and we have a MegaBar here. This MegaBar we treat it differently than other MegaBar. I do my Fibonacci, top to bottom. This is a Morobuzu. Okay, here we are. It's during daytime. It should be retracing. It should be retracing. And let's click it here. Look, my first TP during daytime. Here you are, guys. I enter here. No, yeah, sorry, guys. I enter here. Usually in daytime, I wait for 6.1 Fibonacci or 0.5. My first TP is here. I do it this way, but actually I do not like to trade it this way. I wait for the 50. And then this is the best, safest thing for you as a day trader. Here you are. And the second TP, I enter here. Usually it's 161. You never take it more than that. Okay, I put my stop loss here at the 50. And I take my next TP is at 161. That's your hallelujah trade. That's your trade of the day. That's your trade on economic news. This is how you trade in regular day trading where you don't have any economic news happening. Early in the morning where things are boring, you cannot trade. You feel like this is not the right thing. So again, guys, what you need is to trade for Gaza. You just need to hit the like button in this video down there. Forward it to your friend. Every like, I donate 25 piasters for Gaza. 25 piasters I donate for Gaza. And I'm looking for a million like. A million like, that will make $250,000 Egyptian pound, which is something not big. This is as much as I can do as a trader. It's $5,000. I donated to Gaza through the Egyptian Red Crescent. We are human. We are standing next to another human person who is struggling for hunger. He cannot manage his safety. His safety is to get food today. He cannot have food. Imagine we are on the 21st century and people are dying from hunger. This is not Somalia. This is Gaza. Somalia at the time, they had was no water, nothing. People, the human aids came from all over the world to Somalia. That was in 1980s, 1990s. But today we are 2025, people are not having food and they die. We have young kids. Open the news and you're going to find that. Again, I trade every day for Gaza. I support Gaza by education. This is a peaceful initiative. Trade for Gaza, and I donate 25 piasters for Gaza. Make the word happen. Make the word, everyone sees the word. Spread the word. Spread the trade for Gaza. If you need anything, you need any question, here's my Telegram channel, Gold on the Nile. I trade for Gaza, من السوق لغزة. This is XAUMO. This is Mohammed Mahmoud. Thank you very much and enjoy your day and safe trading. This is educational video, not financial advice. You shoot. It's your responsibility. You make the trade, you're responsible for it. This is educational. Thank you very much. Mohammed Mahmoud.